My name is Chris Simmons. I'm with the Industrial Network Group. I'm the founder of the Industrial Network Group, and we're a group of industrial professionals who have gathered in chapters across 4 different states, right now 9 chapters, so we're excited about being here at the Skyline Manufacturing Show. I think one of the key things why we're here today is obviously ING is growing, building our brand. Obviously a lot of people here could potentially be members in our chapters. So for us, it's brand recognition, also just being out amongst people that potentially could join our group. You know, Skyline, I think, makes it easy. Obviously, our job is to build our network and grow, so we don't have the expertise in making sure we create the brand that we want for people to see. So working with Skyline has helped us kind of narrow that focus down. We're excited that they've printed all of our material and our banners, so I think they just made our concept come to reality. I think obviously for me it's the people, dealing with their staff, very professional, very thorough, extremely follow-up skills. What I like, they made it easy for me to do business with them. Being very busy, I needed somebody that was thinking for me when I couldn't think the things that I needed. They thought of things that I needed to have prepared, so it made it very easy for me to not only do business with them, but recommend them to my members. Well, I think their complexity of services, the things that they offer, you know, things that not only would benefit us, but benefit our members. You know, taking a concept and making it a reality is what I saw. We're excited. I think there's so much more they can do for us. We're going to be putting more efforts into trade shows ourselves, so having a partner like Skyline allows us to think of different ways to promote our brand. So I'm excited about all the things they offer that we can take advantage of in the future. You know, I think what surprised me is you know, I've dealt with companies who did some things that Skyline does, but the professionalism that they bring to the table by bringing all those services to you. So I'm excited about having someone like that that is much on a bigger scale, so that not only can they help us, but you know, we want to make sure we partner with people that can help our members and that we feel that can bring a good brand. And by them doing that and representing themselves in a professional way, it's easy for me to highly recommend them to our members. Basically, if you're in the industrial profession and you're traditionally trying to find ways to connect and build relationships and get more opportunities, there's no better way to do that than joining the Industrial Network Group. It's not just a leads group, it's a group of professionals who are trying to better themselves, sharpen their skills, get training. At the end of the day, we're all looking for more business. But what I really believe that in order to get the business, you got to be the best person. And I really believe that ING helps you become better at your profession, helps you sharpen your skills, and that's why we've seen it grow so fast. There's nothing like it in this market that's focused just on the industrial. So if you haven't joined the ING, please consider it. Go to industrialnetworkgroup.com. We'd love to have you visit one of our meetings.